people. So this is my 10th video of the day, and where I'm sitting, I think this is probably the first time ever I'm shooting from such a pretty place. Like, you know, I don't know what tree is this. I think this is a mango tree, and I'm sitting beneath it and shooting, and I'm feeling so good about this. So it's like doing these YouTube videos. Yeah, it's made me very like earlier I'd have this very high cringe factor, like in terms of I feel like no, if I'm speaking in public, people would say some things, but no, it's like I enjoy this whole thing and see how beautiful it is. I've paid $800 just to be in New Club right now for this holy celebration. So I think I might as well totally enjoy the whole. The celebrations have not yet begun, but once they do, that'll be fun. There'll be a rain dance and all. I wonder if I can do any recordings then. I don't think so, since there'll be lots of people and many of them maybe they may not want to get recorded and all. But yeah, this is my 10th video. So beautiful place. I'm totally enjoying it here. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.